Are you a starter or a beginner here on YouTube? You're looking for ways to improve on your content creation and everything that has to do with YouTube as a journey, then this video is for you. Hi teammates, welcome back. Yes, I know, post notification gang. Welcome back to another video here on Tube IQ, right? And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 amazing tips on how to grow, tips and tricks, knowledge and inspiration on how to grow here on this space. And if that is what you're interested in, please keep on watching. But before we start, I want to let you know that you don't need to wait. If you have the intention, the thought of becoming a content creator here on YouTube, you don't need all the sophisticated gadgets. You don't need to wait until you have everything installed before starting up a YouTube channel. There are basics that you just need to start off here on this space and begin. And along the line, you grow and get them one after the other alongside as you grow here on this space. But first off, the very first thing you need before you become a content creator is your camera. I don't care the kind of phone you have, as long as the camera quality is crystal clear and the audio is very, very sharp and clear, that people can listen to you properly. There are also softwares you can use to enhance your audio, enhance your camera quality or your video quality, fine. But what you need for a start is your phone. Whether an iPhone or an Android phone, know that once you have a phone, you are good to go. That being said, the second thing you need to have, which is very important, is your ring light. If you have a ring light, fine. But if you don't have a ring light, is your natural light. Natural light can do justice to your video much more than you can even imagine. Take for instance, I'm shooting this video with natural light. Just know when the weather is bright and clear and turn on your camera. Clean up the lens very, very well. Very important. That tip is very important. Clean up the lens and make sure that the camera you are using on your phone is the back camera, not the front camera. While shooting, you focus at the lens, like that very small lens there that pictures you very well. Focus there because that is where your audience are watching you from, just like you're watching, and that is what your audience wants to see. See you looking directly into their eyes and talking to them, because that's what eye contact actually does when you are shooting your video. It makes your audience feel that you are with them there and then. Do you get what I mean? So make sure that your camera lens is crystal clear and you're looking directly into the lens, and speak audibly directly to your viewers, right? Okay, at this point, I believe if you're getting value for what you have been watching so far, it's high time you join this family so that you don't get missed out on any other uploads here on this space by joining this family, joining this team, because we are teammates, in case you don't know, by subscribing to this channel. As you click on that subscribe button, also turn on the post notification bell next to it so that you'll always be the first to get notified whenever a new video pops up here on this channel. So let's continue. The very third thing on our list we are going to consider, you're going to consider before starting off a YouTube channel, is your space, your background. See, it doesn't really matter how bad your background might really look. Don't give an F or don't give so much attention to that, because these are the things that will definitely limit you and hold you back from starting your YouTube journey here on this space. It doesn't matter how your background is, but the thing is, make sure that where you are is very bright and clear. After shooting, there are videos here, tons of videos here on this YouTube space that you can watch on changing the background of your videos, because I know that your viewers would not really want any distraction with boring background and background that is not giving, right? So softwares have made it very easy for content creators to have good and sophisticated, aesthetically pleasing background. You can research on YouTube here on the search engine on how to change background, and so many videos will pop up. Watch that video and learn how to change your background. Okay, then the number 4 tip here on the list is your microphone. See, people really want to hear you very well. If you don't have money to invest in a good microphone, like the wireless microphone, make proper sure that after shooting your video, right, you go up to any software. Everything is on the internet. Look for a software that enhances your audio very well as a content creator, and upload your video there, re-edit your video, enhance your audio there. Like example of it is the CapCut editor, which is what I actually do use, and so many others, right? In my next video or other videos, I'm going to be teaching you more of this, how to edit on CapCut and software to use to enhance your audio, and so many other beautiful topics that will really help you in your content creation journey. Remember, like I told you in my first video, that I'm here to help us, hold us by the hand to sustain, to survive and grow here on this space. And in less than no time, meet up to our threshold and our target here on this space and eventually get monetized, because I don't see who wants to come up here and become a YouTuber and not being rewarded for your effort and your hard work. In case you don't know, content creation, like, this is a bonus tip. Content creation in the very first place is not a child's play. It is real job, it is hard work, and you must be intentional about it, right? If you're already existing content creator and you really want to do better, I would really encourage you to try to make sure that every video you put up here after your next video is better than the previous. It's better than the previous. If you're not learning and researching on YouTube or on the internet on how to always upgrade your video quality, your content creation quality, your aesthetics, your appearance, and every other thing that has to do with content creation, then you are not ready for this. And another thing you need to consider is content creation will actually give you the results you want just the way you take it. If you take it like a hobby, it becomes a hobby. But if you take it like a real job, whether your side hustle, as long as you're taking it as a real job, it becomes a real job for you that will definitely and eventually pay off, right? So guys, these are the tips I have for you here as a beginner, or you are still in the field struggling to stand and survive and eventually grow and succeed here on this platform. This video will go a long way to help you, encourage you, and inspire you to do better. At the long run, whatever stage you are, it doesn't matter your subscriber count. Keep pushing, keep driving, keep upgrading, and keep improving. In less than no time, you will be so shocked how far you will grow here. I've seen so many people who had zero clue or knowledge about content creation, but today they are big and massive YouTubers. Remember those big YouTubers you had met once started like you. And if you're watching at me right now, your mind is telling you to go and start up. Please, I need you to type in the comment section that I have started, because I am putting this video to you as your sign to become a content creator, and also a push video for you to go and start off that YouTube channel that has been trilling and boiling in your mind constantly to start up. Okay, so guys, let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you've learned and what you'll be trying out, and definitely if you're going to start off your YouTube channel, let's know in the comment section. And let me also know your ideas, your opinions, your suggestion on what next you would like us to talk about here, what ideas you would like us to share here in order to improve and grow together. Remember, we are teammates. So teammates, thank you once again if you stayed up till now. And if you do like what you see here, I believe this is just the very best time for you to join this family as you click on that subscribe button, because it's absolutely and totally free. And turn on the post notification bell so that you always be the first to get notified whenever a new video pops up here on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video. But for now, bye guys.